Third answer, internal classmates. So question number 1. What is the square root of 100? The square root of 100 is called positive 10. 10 times 10 is 100. So question number 2. What kind of triangle in which two sides are equal? So isosceles triangle. Ang isosceles triangle ay lahat two sides completely is equal. So, equal mo lang din niya yung kuwan. Kuni yung two sides dire equal. Dire laki dire. So, di ba ang buo niya is asa 180 degree. So, 45 o 90 degree. Mas taas mo niya ang kuwan. Okay, then more siya yung isosceles. Okay, that's all. Thank you.